Hi, this afternoon we're going to show you how to add products to your WooCommerce e-commerce store. And the first thing you're going to do is log into your admin area, which you should have login details for. If you haven't, speak to your web designer, web developer to make sure that he's passed them on to you. I'm going to click on over here, see products, just to show you around a little bit while we're doing this. If we look at all products, you can see how many products you've already got onto your store and all the relevant details. You can actually dive in and edit any of these at any time. You can do a quick edit or a full edit if you like. It's very, very straightforward. But today we're going to show you how to add a new product. Now, before I do that, I'm going to show you how to actually make sure that your images you're going to be putting on the site are in fine fettle. So in this case, the way I'm setting these images up to present themselves really well is giving them dimensions of 2000 on the width pixels to 3000 pixels on the height. So with this image, because it's relatively a similar size to what we want, I'm just actually going to change the image sizes dynamically. So you won't see a noticeable change other than the fact it's probably just going to look slightly smaller when we finish, but it's actually quite a big image. If I sort of zoom in just to show you, at the moment it's 16.7% at the zoom level. So I'm just going to move that up to 100% just so you can see the resolution on this image. So as you can see at the top, 100%, it's a really nice image so that when it represents itself on the screen for your users, they're getting really, really good images. Okay, so I'm just going to save that. So with this, I'm actually optimizing the images for internet, which makes them really, really high resolution, but also make sure that they load really, really quickly. I think these are kept in the products tab. Okay. Right, so the first thing I'm going to do is click on Add New. That's going to open up a new interface from it. And the one we're going to do today is the retouch.me products in this case. Now, because we've got permission, we were able to actually take a lot of the details for this product off our supplier's website, but make sure that if you're adding your own products from your own suppliers that they've given you permission to do that. Okay, so at the top is where we're going to put our title, retouch.me. We can also copy and paste the actual text element. Now the text element goes into this area here. I'm going to put that onto visual. You've got two modes. You can have it in visual, which basically means whatever you type, you'll see and you can see what it looks like, or text mode, which yes, it looks very, very similar, but this is more for like being able to put some actual code in and some internet code, HTML code, that kind of thing. But for ease of use for everybody else, we're just going to keep it as visual. So you've got two areas that you can add product information. You've got this area, which is for as much information as you like about the products. And then you have a short product description. In this case, we're just going to keep the same information on there. So the price, £23. We're not putting any sale price on at the moment, and inventory I will cover off in a separate section in terms of how you can actually make this so that you can put stock levels in and that kind of thing. Okay, so that's looking good so far. What you need to do then is decide which categories your product needs to sit in. So because we're doing Kevin Murphy, we have a Kevin Murphy parent category, and underneath that we have all the different other categories associated with the different products associated with Kevin Murphy. And let's have a look, see where this one belongs for retouch. So it sits in the coloured head as a retouch. Actually, it's retouch Auburn. So that's me getting the name wrong there. Okay, so I'm just going to change that. So I did not enter there. So we're also going to click not only the Kevin Murphy tick box, but the coloured tick box as well, because that's where it sits within the coloured hair section. If we've got a category that we haven't already listed, it's dead easy. You can just click on a new category. You can give it a name. You can determine where the parent category would sit for this. So let's say it sits under Kevin Murphy. I'm not going to click OK, but basically you would then click on add new category and it will populate into this list that you can add the product into. I'm not going to do that for sake of this example. Okay, so let's have a look. Happy with that, happy with that, happy with that. Okay, the next thing we need to do is set a product image. So click on set product image, it opens up this interface here, which is where all the media that's been uploaded onto the site is set. Now, because I've already done my images, I can literally grab the image I want from off my computer, pull it across, wait for it to go blue, let go of my click on my mouse, and as you can see, it's uploading. So that product is now uploading into that product set. Happy with that. Set product image. It'll then populate over here. Now we don't have any other, you can also add additional images. So let's say for this particular product, we have loads of other images for it. We don't, we just have the one. You can then set any other images associated with that product in the product gallery images. We haven't, we just got the one. So let's have a look. So I'm quite happy with that. Just going to check my categories. Yep, Kevin Murphy, etc. Happy with that, happy with that. All I do then, click on publish, allow it to update. This is updating the main site. And there you go. And what it also does, because we've linked this into Facebook, it automatically creates a product set onto the Facebook as well. So if we go into our shop, and that's it. Click on the product, let's just check how it looks. And it's as easy as that. And that's it. That's how you add new products to your WooCommerce website. Thank you.